hold down Control-C to copy the information, go over to my Documentation tab, and just paste in the data. You can click right here where it says number 2, Control-V to paste, and that will paste all of your data into your Documentation tab. I do not typically recommend putting any data on the Monday through Friday tabs. This is only used as a template for the information that will not likely change week to week for the students that you would typically see. So on your Documentation tab, that is where you keep all of your data. So right here for the date, you could type in the date and click Enter, and as you can see, it will automatically add in the year. If I were to click this cell, I can hold down Control and tap C to copy, and I can highlight the rest of the students going down in this column to give them the same date. So it's less typing. And you could just paste that data, and as you can see, the number here in the first column that says month will automatically calculate based on the date listed here in column B. Now, if you were making a note for an observation, a parent meeting, any type of contact with the teachers, you would not want to keep this cell filled. You would want to delete that because this is only going to be used for your direct services. So if you have the month right here filled in, that means it will count toward your attendance on the attendance page, which will track the number of times and or minutes the student is seen per month. So the information now here on your Documentation tab is where you will enter your daily notes. You already have all of your template pasted in. Now all you do is type in your notes from that session, type in the % of accuracy, and click Enter. And as you can see, the percentage sign will automatically appear. The percentage sign will be needed in order to calculate the average % of accuracy that each goal was targeted on your attendance tab. You can also type the equal sign and then a fraction, such as 10 out of 25, and click Enter, and it will enter the percentage. You can also enter the goal that was targeted, such as Goal 1, and then under Assistance Provided, you may want to enter min, mod, or max, whatever you deem necessary, according to how that student performed at that given time. And as you can see, these will color code according to the information that is entered in that cell. Say we target goal number 2. Over here you'll see the loading. Over here we can change this to moderate cues. And you will notice after it stops loading, these colors will automatically change according to the information that's put in this cell. So whether you give min, mod, or max assistance, this will color code accordingly. So like I said, all of your data will be input right into the Documentation tab. Monday through Friday is only going to house your template. So this will be used to copy and paste into your Documentation tab when you are adding the data for a specific session. This is where, like I said, you will enter the date, your notes, % of accuracy, goal targeted, and the assistance provided. In order to copy and paste from the Monday and Friday tabs, it's as simple as scrolling down over top of the cells that you want to enter, let go of your cursor, Control-C to copy, come over to the Documentation tab, enter right here, where this will be the next cell in your spreadsheet, paste, and it'll go on to the bottom of your spreadsheet. Any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. Also, of course, we have our attendance page here, which will automatically calculate based on the data provided in the Documentation tab. None of the information will be transferred from the Monday through Friday tabs, though, because they are only used as templates. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy my spreadsheet as much as I do.